So if you have Flow Internet at your house, you really need to listen to this. This is very important. Serious fraud are going. And you need to share this video, like it, and repost it so that other people can check to see if them are face the same problem with Flow. So the other day, me try to borrow loan from Flow and it keep on tell me say it's not available at this time. Me wait a few more days, me try to borrow credit again, it not work. So me I say wait, it look like say Flow done with me, they not lend me no more credit. So anyways, me go buy some credit put on my phone because more other plan on my phone because when me dep on the road, me not have no internet since of the other day. Me I try to add on the service and it now go through. Me I try to borrow money for put on service and it now go through. So me say alright, buy credit and me try to put on the service. It now give me the option for put on for buy the internet bundle. So me I say wait, I walk one. So me say, you know what, me install the Flow app on my phone and try to use the app for activate the internet bundle. Me try that, it still only give me the option for buy data, for buy add-ons, for my phone. So me I say wait, I walk one. When me take a closer look on the Flow app, the status of the Flow app, it say I am on Flow Yardan Road. Me submit to Flow Yardan Road. Me say Flow Yardan Road. After me never request to get added to no Flow Yardan Road because it no beneficial. A waste of time, a garbage service that. So me say me no know of this. So anyways, me try reach out to customer service now. Them say to me say, me did get a call at such and such a time and a me request for be added on Flow Yardan Road. Me say me never get no call. Nobody called me about any Flow Yardan Road, blah, blah, blah. So me would have like phone to remove me from it. And as a matter of fact, me remember say my internet bill did come to $1,000+ more than it usually come to. And me I wonder, wait, I walk one where this extra $1,000 come from my Flow bill. You see me? So anyways, them said them are within 72 hours, me get a call from some technician so they can assist me to remove my number from the Yardan Road, me cell number. Me say, okay, me did them wait so till that time they pass. Me no see nothing happen, me no get no call. So me decide this morning, say me I go down at the Flow store. Me go down at the Flow store and me explain to the person and say to her, say, me realize me get added to Flow Yardan Road without my knowledge and without my consent, and I would like to be removed and also request a refund for my next bill because me never request this service. She said, oh, there is no way that would happen. It must be you who tell them say you want to get added to it. Me say me not tell nobody that say me want to get added to any Flow Yardan Road, and as a matter of fact, I did not even get a call about that. Anyway, she said she go check the system. She had checked the system. She said she see where me get a call, me approve it on the 12th of April. The 12th of April was the day when or somewhere after that, the day when I try to put on the service on my phone and I will borrow them loan and realize say, nah, go through. So somewhere in between this of somebody from Flow add me to the Flow Yardan Road. So them the female, she asked me my number, me tell her my number. She said, I see where you have two numbers added to the Flow Yardan Road. Me say two number. Me say me no know about that. Me say tell me the other number. From the woman say 566. Me say no, that is not my number. Me no know the number from nowhere. Francis tell me the first 3 digit. Me say me no know about that. You see me? So me would like to have this removed. So me say it look like you have somebody a work a Flow or a thief. It look like say you have people a Flow and manipulate the system for them own benefits. So this is what me feel like say I go on. Me feel like say somebody at Flow add people to Flow Yardan Road and add themselves as one of the recipient to receive the services. So when them add your number, your put on the Flow Yardan Road pan your account, what them do, them add your number, them add somebody else's number or their own number. But what them do, then don't give you the data. Them give you the call time and them give you the text messages, the free text messages service and the call time, but then don't give the data because that's what them do because the data pan the service where them give me, it now work. You see me? So when me check it, the only thing where me see, me not see not megabytes. Me only see like me have 3,000 minutes for call, and me have must one another 3,000 free text messages on it. No megabytes, no come on it. So what them do? Them add the other person or themselves to the Flow Yard and Road service, but they are the ones who get the data. And you who are pay for it, the only thing you get are just the free call and the free text message. And you are for now a pay for the Flow Yard and Road where somebody else get added pan. So Flow really need to do some investigation to find out about this. And if you not get on a Flow bill, I want to realize I want to bill higher than it usually is, you really need to check to find out if you get added pan the Flow Yard and Road, and check if there are any numbers, phone number where you don't know get attached to your internet service, because it's serious. So me I say we have fraud go on ya man, because and the female I laugh and I say no sir. Me say, oh you mean no? Me said that number where you just said to me, that is not my number. I don't know that number, and yet that number is added to a plan where me never asked for. You see me? So me say somebody a manipulate the system at Flow, and them a benefit from it. So probably this person, them people here, what them a do, them a collect money from people outside, from other customers, or somebody probably I say, yo, you know, we have one little system around, you know, we can add you up on the flow system, you know, all you have to do is just give me $1,000, $2,000 a month, and me add it to somebody else's account. And that's what I think they are doing. Or them had them own number to people account, and you are pay for while somebody else get the benefit. It need to fix. Flow. Don't make me put on up on blast. Please fix it.
So yes, Jamaica, and I see the major headlines, and I see what go on, the year what go on. So guess what go on? Leave in the comment section. We want to comment in the comment section, man. And we could know what go on, what go on. We always have the best news and reviews, man. Jamaica not the best TV. You see that? Yeah, man, we out here without fear, guys. So just leave a comment in the comment section. Right. Yep. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Yeah, man, we out there.